Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 12. So I am getting ready right now for lunch, and it is pretty gloomy outside. It says it's gonna be 72 today, and yesterday it was like 50 degrees. That's Texas weather for you. But anyway, I am getting ready right now. It's really cold in the house. I don't think it's as cold outside as it is inside, but I am getting ready right now, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear, but I just wanted to say good morning, and I'll probably see you in the car on the way there. So I'm gonna wear something really cozy and comfortable, and it's gonna be hard to find something in here because my room is an absolute mess. Curled my hair and then put it up in like this. I haven't had my hair up like this in years. We are on our way to a lunch, and today is Korean BBQ day. So never been here. It just recently opened. It is called Jen Korean BBQ House, and we are pulling up right now. Actually, it's pretty busy outside. Oh, there's Daeso across the street, and we actually didn't get to go last week, so we might go today. And 99 Ranch is also over there. Can we go there later? Yeah. Okay, cool. There's Daeso, a ton of restaurants over here. Like, this whole strip is new. There's a bunch of new stuff over here. There's boba, there's cafes, ramen, barbecue place, 2 barbecue places. There's the place we went last week, Kula, which wasn't very good, unfortunately. I'll show you my outfit real quick. Take those heels. My shirt says, this is my boyfriend's shirt, and this is actually Nikki's shirt and cardigan. She has no boyfriend, so I decided to wear it. So it says this is my boyfriend's t-shirt. It's a really cute, like, baggy shirt. And then I have this baggy cardigan outside from PacSun, but I think it's Brandy Melville. And black leggings and my Converses. And then this hat is also from PacSun. It says New York on top of it. So we are just waiting for somebody to come, and then we're gonna go and eat some food. So macaron ice cream. We ate our way through this all extra food. Yummy.
Oh yeah, that's her phone number, so you get the rewards.
We just finished eating and we went to get boba. So I got a classic milk tea. 75% sweetness, but it's still too sweet. So next time I'm gonna do 50% sweetness. I really like this place because you can control your sweetness. So they have like 25% sweetness, 50%, 75%, and then 100%. So last time I went here, 75% sweetness was perfect, but this time it's a little too sweet. So next time 50% sweetness, because I like mine to be a little bit bitter. Pretty delicious. And this one is in Carrollton. And then we went to 99 Ranch and didn't get any groceries or anything. I got my boyfriend some chopsticks. I'm not gonna explain why. I just need some chopsticks. I got him these chopsticks. You don't want to pick up. Inside 99 Ranch, they had a little like cute Korean boutique, but not really boutique because they didn't have clothes. So it's more of just like a beauty store, and there's like miscellaneous goods and stuff, but a lot of them were like makeup and skincare products and stuff. So I got these. This is for, like, you know, when you smile and you have lines right here. So
oh, you got one too?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. Then I got the cutest thing ever. Look at this bunny rabbit for my keychain. How cute is that? Hey, my crazy monkey. You haven't been in my vlog for a few days. Hi. Hi, monkey. How are you? Oh, you want to be in my vlog? Give me some kisses. Being a big baby. Hello. Hello, my monkey. Hello, my little monkey. You are so silly. Give me a hug. I haven't seen you all weekend. Mwah. I love you. I love you too. This used to be one of his favorite toys, but he has moved on to a new toy that he loves. But he used to play with this one all the time. He was obsessed with it. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it. You ready? Go get it. And then he just leaves it. Bring it back here. Bring it back. Good boy. You ready for me to throw it again? Are you ready? I'm gonna throw it. Are you ready? Sit down. You ready? I'm gonna throw it. Go get it! Bring it back here. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. And he loves it again. This is his tiger. Look at my dog. He is ridiculous. He's just sleeping. Nice man.
가게에 계시냐? 신아야 말을 좀 하라고 말을. 어우 봐봐.
Snoring.
Using my channel so can snapshot and some movements.
Okay, we're on our way to go to Ulta. Nikki's got a coupon that she wants to use for 20% off. We are in Ulta right now, looking at some stuff. Oh, this is so nice. I want this. I really like these. I want a concealer though. Oh, probably this one. In porcelain. Yep, I'm thinking it's this one. I'm gonna try this one. Last one. Looking at Too Faced's lipsticks right now. I really like this one. It's called Naked, and it's a liquid lipstick. It's that darker of the two.
If I can get away with taking that on my trip, was there a hairbrush? Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
This is what Nikki's looking at. It's a hairbrush slash hair dryer.
I do. How much is that?
It's Revlon. I actually need a new hairbrush because the one I have is like pulling my hair out, so I need a new one. Where are the hairbrushes? Older one.
I want the dry bar.
This one?
Baby buttercup. It's the baby one.
Oh, the baby. Why would you pay that much money for a baby hair dryer though? I mean, I get for like traveling and stuff, but
And it's just easier to handle at home.
amazing. It's a T3 Featherweight Luxe 21 dryer. I really want that one. Yeah, I'm ready. I think I did my damage.
Soccer. The packaging.
That looks like juice, doesn't it? That's so funny. Look at this. They look like actual, like those juice cleanses that you do. That's funny. That is really cute packaging though.
It's the one Jimmy wants.
Oh wow. That's the Dyson? Oh my goodness. Look, it's in its own display of its own. That's how you know how good it is.
Have you tried it? Do you want to try mine?
No? Right here? Push that up. Oh wow. Oh.
Dude.
It
I
reminds
can see
me of
why
a
she
little
wants it.
One of those automatic things they have in the bathroom that they don't have paper towels, and so you use that. A $400 blow dryer. I don't know if I like it. It's interesting. It's weird. It's crazy.
If that could cut my blow drying down to 30 seconds, I would pay for it.
That's what it claims. Ultra fast. Oh, they're both open though. It's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. Bags. Oh, they even have Kate Spade here. How cute is that? I actually need a new makeup bag. The one I'm using is kind of inconvenient, but this is a really cute Christmassy one. Oh, this is nice. This is like a makeup train bag. That's actually really nice. I don't have a ton of makeup I take with me usually, so that wouldn't be good, but this is a really nice one. It's funny. That's cute. I don't have it. All I have is this one. I wanted the box one. Darn it. Look at all the snacks that they have at TJ Maxx. Isn't that crazy?
If it wasn't, but I'm pretty sure
That's true.
it was pretty handsome.
Oh wow, that is pretty. Here's a big old cheese grater that we needed that one time.
Let it go.
I'm sorry, but you made me grate cheese with like a freaking carrot grater.
Yes, sir.
How cute. Sweaters for your wine. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Fancy. They even have a Santa one. Oh my gosh, look at this cup back here. I need this. Oh my goodness. Look at this cup. Who wouldn't want this? So cute. Oh Mickey, isn't that so cute? Isn't that hilarious? It doesn't really give you much finger room though.
Oh, it doesn't have not a good grip.
They're like one finger in there. That's so cute though. That's funny. I actually have like 2 or 3 Christmas cups at home already, so I don't need a new one. But that's really cute. It's an elf on top. So cute. Alright guys, I am in my PJs ready for bed now. But yeah, I am gonna go to bed now, so wanted to say goodnight because I haven't been ending my vlogs very properly lately. So yes, I just wanted to say that I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm gonna call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. So thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.